Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Paymo to Trello for billable time tracking. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To connect Paymo to Trello for effective billable time tracking, start by logging into your Paymo account. Open your web browser and navigate to the Trello login page. Log into your Trello account using your credentials. Once logged in, go to the board where you want to track billable hours. Next, locate the Power UPS menu on the right side of your Trello board. Click on Power UPS to see a list of available integrations. In the search bar, type Paymo to find the Paymo power-up. Once you see the Paymo power-up, click on the Add button. Authorize the power-up by following the on-screen prompts to connect your Paymo account. After successful authorization, return to your Trello board. You will now see the Paymo sidebar on the right side. To start tracking time, click on a Trello card to open it. In the card, look for the Paymo section. Enter the details of the time you want to track, such as the project and task. You can specify the duration and any additional notes if needed. Once everything is filled out, click Save to log your time in Paymo. To verify that your time has been recorded, visit your Paymo dashboard. You should see the recorded hours reflected in your Paymo project. And that's it. You have successfully connected Paymo to Trello for billable time tracking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.